thought I could fix it all. Fix me. But I ran out of time.
You knew that was a mistake from the very start. Do what you should have done a long time ago. Please. Do it. I made a promise. So I did my best to accept you and help you.
Accept me?
Told me to cover up, to hide. Yes, until we can fix everything. And we still can. We can cover those up and put everything right again.
No. No more hiding. No more lies.
Rumi, we can still fix this.
Don't you get it? This is what I am. Look at me. Why can't you look at me? Why couldn't you love me?
I do!